Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are repairing a Mercedes C200, I think it is. We are in Harlow today, so only up the road from me. Yeah, let's get over there, I'll show you. We've got a bit of trim to remove and change and repair the damaged area. I don't know, I think they've touched it in or painted it themselves or something. Looks a bit funky in the pictures anyway, but yeah, we'll see when we get there. I'll show you what we've got to do, and yeah, we'll go from there. See you in a bit. Through there and another score through here, and we've got to replace this chrome trim underneath here. It's been touched in there with the wrong colour. I think we'll go over that, a bit of thinners first, see if we can remove that. I've got to try and tackle this chrome trim, release that, and then we can start prepping that, getting that ready. See you in a moment. That's it all primed now. I did have a look underneath at trying to get this grille out, but basically we've got some more damages underneath, under, and I've got a feeling if I disturb this we're going to have problems. I told the customer, so we're just going to mask that grille off. It's going to be a pain because it comes right through there, so I have to figure something out. But let's start getting this prepped, get closer, and then we'll figure out all the masking afterwards. It's not going to be easy. He just told me that he's getting rid of the car soon. He's had enough. I think the old man borrowed it and done that. I was like, oh, but yeah, it's one of them things. So yeah, we can't remove the grille, so we're going to have to mask all that off, which is going to be fiddly, take me ages. Yeah, let's get it prepped, see you in a bit. all prepped out. Pulled the number plate off. We're going to lose it behind that surrounding there, same there, and then we're going to lose it up there by the headlight. I've got to get this mast off now. That's going to take me about 15 hours to mask all that out in there. I'll come see you when it's done. Let's get some paint on this thing. Shiny stuff time, let's go. There we go, guys. Just get this baked off, and then I can show you properly. Come out quite clean. There's a couple of bits. Yeah, there is a couple of bits in it. We'll give it a little tickle and we'll buff it over. Right, let's get this dry. See you soon. And we're off. That is officially jobbed. Come out really nice. I couldn't really end the video I wanted. The customer come out and was chatting to me, and I was like, he didn't know I was filming. Sometimes I tell people, sometimes I don't. I just crack on and put my camera wherever I can, sort of thing. But yeah, came out really well. He's over the moon. So that's it, really. It's all that matters, isn't it? It looks well, and customers happy. That's all you're aiming for. So yeah, that is it from me today. We've got to do this giveaway, haven't we? Forgot all about that. I had dramas, and I was trying to sort the internet out at home. We're all good now, so I might, yeah, I'll let you all know. I might do it this Sunday. So yeah, anyone that hasn't watched that video for the kneading pads from Pinky's Blocks, get over there and have a little look at that video. You can still enter. So
The odds on this one are good. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.